Welcome to Dronifi. Let's go over a couple of steps to get your account started. You will receive an email from us with your username and password. To get started, click Login. Fill in your username and password and click Login. Dronifi provides you with a series of training videos to help you along the way. You can always contact customer support in case you need it. Let's review your data. Click the next section with your company logo. This will open up your properties. In this case, I have a property called Golf Course Demo. Let's click on it. Let's give you a quick tour. The right-hand side of your screen is the map view. The left-hand side will update depending on what icon you have activated at the top. We have action items, findings, analysis, and reports. We can review findings based on specific shapes you mapped. In this case, we are displaying fairways. If you wish to change this view, you can select from the drop-down menu. For this example, we will stay on fairways. Dronifi has analyzed 3 fairways that were imported from your Drone Deploy account. If you wish to view all the imported shapes, go to the top right-hand corner labeled Map Features. Simply click the box to turn the features on or off. Let's zoom in to get more details. If we want to display the analysis for this particular fairway, simply select it from the list on the left. Pick the analysis you wish to display. In this case, I want to view high vigor. Well, it seems we have a very healthy fairway. We can select other fairways by clicking on them and selecting the signature. As a next step, you might want to continue mapping your golf course. To do this, simply click the map feature icon. This will reveal a list of everything that can be mapped. I will add a putting green to my golf course. All you need to do is click the plus button and fill out its name and add an abbreviation. Click Draw Shape and begin drawing. Once you have completed your shape, click Create and Save. Finally, let's go over your report. Click the Last Flight Report button. As you can see, we have added your logo and your hero image. Let's review the series of flight snapshots we've collected. You can hover over to display more details, or you can click to zoom in. Compare satellite against your RGB flight and show your customers the benefits of aerial data. Compare health indexes. You can also compare health signatures. In this case, we are comparing our 3 fairways. Click the bar to get additional information. Our findings section provides a summary of all your map features and findings associated with each one. You can click on the findings to get more details. Finally, the most important step, share your results with your client. Type in their email address. You can update your subject line or your message and click Share Report. Give us a call or send us an email to get started. And remember, when you fly, Dronifi.